And welcome, pre-calculus, welcome. Today is what, hello, today is January 9th. It's really the 8th because I'm doing this at night, 2025 for pre-calc. Here's the deal. I'm going to show you just a couple math thingies today, and then I'm going to have you guys do about 10 problems. Very, very simple ones, okay? You do not have to turn in those 10 problems until the next time that we meet in person. However, according to Dr. Shipley's notes, email, you still need to reply to this post and send to everybody forgot my birthday. Well, not everybody. Thanks, Justice. Thanks, Aurora. Um, uh, that's what you're going to reply in the Google Classroom. You're just going to reply with, happy birthday. It'll feel genuine. It really will. Okay, here we go. Did you guys watch the video on radians? Okay, radians is just another way to measure, it's like degrees, but it's cooler, right? And it's used for a lot of engineering things. And here is what we learned in that video. 360 degrees is 2 pi radians. Okay, so if I said, hey, let's convert, I don't know, let's convert 120 degrees. Oh, hello. Well, that's cool that they're running the floor cleaning machine. 120 degrees, right? And I want to convert it to radians. So all I would do is say, that's 360 degrees on bottom and 2 pi radian on top. Okay? And so if you converted that right, then you could say, hey, that reduces to 3, right? And so that would just be 2 pi over 3 radians. Okay? You don't need to multiply by 3.14, and since I did not calibrate this board, the new computer, yet, my handwriting's looking pretty sweet. But that's how you convert degrees to radians, okay? And you're like, whoa, 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 Blanchard, couldn't we, instead of doing 360 degrees is 2 pi radian, couldn't we say 180 degrees is pi radians? And you know what? We sure as heck could. So if I wanted to do that, let's move that over. If I wanted to do that and have 120 degrees, I could multiply it by pi over 180 also, right? And then I just have to reduce correctly. Let's see, I take 60 out of there, and I take 60 out of there. Hey, look at that. It's 2 pi over 3 radian. I just ran out of space. That's terrible. Okay, so some of your problems here at the end of this very short video, you're going to have to convert degrees to radians. Got it? Get it? Great. What else could we do in this very short video? Standard degrees, standard form of angles. Okay, in degrees. We'll just do it in degrees, okay? So, if I said draw 75 degrees, you go like this. Oh, that's easy. Okay, 75 degrees goes like there. And then there's that line. And that would be 75 degrees. Oh, well, that was easy. What if I said draw 120 degrees? Okay, remember these are just sketches, but they still have to stop in the correct quadrant. 120 degrees would go, I don't know, 90 plus 30. Wow. Fuck on. Poor smartboard. Get a new computer and things just don't work right. Okay, there's 120 degrees. Got it? Let's keep going. Let's do one in quadrant 3. What if I said, let's do 210 degrees? There's 180 plus 30. Okay, that's 210 degrees. But wait, let's do one more. Let's get crazy and do 300 degrees. Okay, 300 degrees. 90, 180, 270, and add 30 more. I don't know, I was just picking that right there. But that's 300 degrees. But wait, did you know that there's negative angles? Well, there is. Let's draw negative 300 degrees. Negative 300 degrees goes like this. Negative 90, negative 180, negative 270, negative 300. Wow, this is bad. I need to recalibrate. That was terrible. There we go. That's negative 300 degrees. In other words, this is always the start, right? This line is always the start. The x-axis, the positive x-axis is always the start. If you go counterclockwise, that is a positive angle. If you go clockwise from the starting line, then that's a negative angle. Seems like it should be the other way, but it's not. Oh well, okay? And I might even ask you, like, what quadrant is 300 degrees in? Well, you'd say quadrant 4. And it's the only time that you would get to use Roman numerals, IV, right? Okay, but wait, there's more. Did you know that you can draw, hello, did you know that you can draw an angle like, I don't know, 450 degrees? Heck yeah. But you're like, what? How do you do that? Watch this. 90, 180, 270, 360, 450. Huh. There's 450 degrees, not in a quadrant at all, okay? You could look that one up and just see what the name of an angle is if it doesn't stop in a quadrant. Because 450 degrees lands on the y-axis, which is not in a quadrant, because that's, you know, like quadrant 1 and 2 kind of floating up there. Huh, interesting. Look that one up, right? Also, like, I could draw, I don't know, let's do something crazy. Let's do 1,230 degrees. Huh, okay, here we go. First thing I'm going to do is turn on this calculator that hasn't been used in a month. 1,230, and I'm going to divide that baby by 360. Okay, if I divide that by 360, I get 3.41. Okay, so I'm going to go around 3 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Right? Okay, but wait, there's more. I still have to go further. So in my calculator, I'm going to take 3 times 360 and get 1,080. And then I'm going to subtract. I'm going to do 1,230 minus 1,080. Ooh, I better do that. 1,230 minus 1,080 and get 150 degrees. Okay, so that means from this point, I still have to go 150 more. Well, there's 90, and then I got to go like 60 more, yeah? And so that is the drawing for 1,230 degrees. Now, here's the cool thing. You don't have to draw this loopity-loop. You don't have to draw it 3 times, right? You don't have to do, okay. That's cool. You don't have to draw that part. You could have just said, oh, 1,230 degrees is coterminal with 150 degrees. 1,230 degrees is coterminal. It means it stops at the same spot as 150 degrees. So I could have just drawn 150 degrees. Get it? Got it? Great. How long was that video? Let's see. Bring that up. 10 minutes. Okay, cool. So everybody, here are the problems I want you to have done by the next time that we meet in class. Question number 1. I want you to convert 300 degrees to radians. Question number 2. I want you to convert 165 degrees into radians. Question number 3. Let's go crazy and do 310 degrees into radians. No decimals. I just want simplified fractions. Just simplified fractions. Question number 4. Let's do a bigger angle because now we know what that is. Let's do 460 degrees. And that's how many radians? Got it? Get it? Those are the first 4 questions. This is a video, so I don't need to pause because you guys can pause the video later. Then the next questions that I want you to do are to sketch the following. Question number 5. Sketch 325 degrees. Question number 6. Sketch negative 178 degrees. Question number 7. Sketch 623 degrees. Question number 8. Sketch negative 765. Okay? And that's it. Those are your 8 problems. Those guys are going to be due the next time that we meet in person. 8 questions. Get it? Got it? How long was the video? Here comes the floor cleaning machine again. That's cool. 12 minutes long. We're going to stop at 1, 2, 3, 4 with the time. I'm at 12:20 right now. So I hope you're enjoying this. I know you guys are probably still asleep, like during normal school time, but try to get this done, please. And make sure that you comment before 2:50. Stop.